Welcome to EmployeeConnect. In this video, you'll learn how easy it is to set up and configure position assignments in the system. So first of all, you'll need to make sure that you're logged in with admin privileges. And once you have, you'll need to navigate to HR in the top menu, and then to Organization. Next, you'll need to navigate to Position Assignment, and then Position Assignment again in the side menu. This page will show you a list of all of the staff members in your system and any current position assignments that they have. If they do have a position assignment, you'll see the edit arrow icon appear, and if they don't, you'll see it be absent and only the new icon be appear. On the right hand side, you'll see the record and the active fields as well. If you see a red icon, that means that there's currently no position assignment for the employee. And if you see a red person icon, that means that the person is usually terminated or their position assignment has not been configured correctly and they have most likely been terminated or offboarded in the system. Usually when you see something like this, you'll see a corresponding end date. For example, like this down here. So let's go through and let's set up a brand new position assignment first. So as you can see, Harry does not have a current position assignment, and there's no position overview data as well. So you just click on the plus icon, and then we'll need to go through and fill in all the required data. So first of all, we just click on the icon to bring up the position picker, and we find the position. And then all you'll need to do is also put in the location or region. This is purely additional information. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, because most likely you've defined this information in the actual position itself. So it's completely up to you whether you do this or not. Next, you'll then need to set up the period of assignment, so most likely being the start date. Pop in the date that you'd like. Again, you won't need to put an end date in unless you're backdating a position that this person has currently completed. And then you can also choose as to whether this is their primary or secondary position, because you can have multiple position assignments, as to whether it's a reporting or non-reporting position. Again, this is most likely only applicable for people with multiple position assignments. You can have in the reason here that they've changed their position assignments. Again, only applicable for people that have multiple assignments. And then the allocation. So let's leave Harry here at 100% for the moment, and then click Save. We can then use the breadcrumbs up the top to go back to position assignment. And you can now see that Harry in the list looks like everyone else, and he's got data there because he's now got a position assignment. You'll also notice that his record icon has gone green from red. If you'd like to add a second position assignment, it's a very similar process. You just click on the plus icon instead of the edit icon, and you go through and you fill in the same details. So say, for example, Harry's doing 2 positions at the same time. And then all you'd need to put in is the start date. We're then going to say that this is his secondary type, and then it's non-reporting, which means that it's his other position that he uses for reporting purposes. And then you can put a reason as to why this assignment is being added to him. You don't have to, again, it's not a required field, but it's helpful. And then when you're done, click Save. Again, we'll use the breadcrumbs to go back to position assignment. And you'll see now in the list that Harry appears twice with both of his positions. Again, we can go through and we can customize the allocation. Obviously, it might be a 50-50 split or 60-40 or 80-20, whatever percentage that might be. And that's how easy it is to customize and set up position assignments in EmployeeConnect.